In today's 3 Connoisseur Secrets homemaking edition, I'm going to show you the secrets behind how I change out my china cabinet. I'm also decorating the boys' bedroom, and I'm going to give you some 10-item capsule wardrobe laundry motivation. Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. So I have this new series, 3 Connoisseur Secrets. Sometimes it's going to be an artistic voiceover, sometimes it's going to be more practical like this. I'm showing you some behind the scenes footage of how I'm doing various things in my home. Today's video is brought to us by Warmies. More on them later, but first we need to get into the china cabinet. Okay? Okay. So in our china cabinet for spring summer, I basically displayed my Portmeirion, my Wedgwood, I had some Royal Albert china in here, and the Victoria Magazine April Cornell collection. Okay, I've already begun taking some things out, but you can just see a close-up here of what we have, and I have a lot of the Portmeirion placemats in the Botanic Garden, and this is a tray that lined the backdrop, so it makes it look nice and full. This is the table that I'm going to put it on. I lit my rose and bergamot candle from Cellar Door Candles to keep me company here, and I've already begun. Okay, the shelves are empty now, and this is what the table looks like. There is a little bit of a rhyme and reason to this. I plan to put these glasses back in, so I have them close to me. These are the little stands, by the way. These hold a teacup and saucer, and then I have ones that hold the plates here. I got those on Amazon, and I'll link those for you. And all the other spring items will be tucked away nicely, but first I need to wipe down the cabinet. Okay, now I'm going to get the Spode Woodland, and some of this is mixed in with the Spode Christmas tree. I'm going to pull this out now. Okay, so my Spode Woodland collection is a little bit sparse. It's something that I need to build up over time, but I'm going to mix this with a few other collections that I have that have fall hues, and I plan to make the cabinet look nice and full. So even though my collection is small, I still managed to fill out the cabinet by placing the plates upright in the grooves, which I think is nice. And I could still fill it out a lot more, and I plan to do so as fall continues. But for now, I just wanted to get the collection up. And I think it looks really cozy, and I really feel like fall is here once I've made this transition. Now I need to sort this out and put everything away properly. Table is all clear. I was able to put everything away. The majority of the china went in this cabinet here, and the wine glasses are in the back there, and then the plates are here with some teacups, and then that little box is full of napkin rings. So there's that, and then let's see, not that drawer, but this drawer down here has all of our fall napkins. So I'm going to bring these out and start to replace these with the other cloth napkins that we use for spring and summer. I'm going to break away for 1 minute to tell you about Warmies, who have kindly brought us today's video. Warmies create adorable microwavable stuffed animals that your children will absolutely love. They are plush, perfect for cuddling with, heavy-weighted, and heatable for warmth at bedtimes. We've enjoyed Warmies for years, and my children love cuddling the warm stuffed animals when they go to bed. I like cuddling them too. They have a natural calming fragrance of real French lavender sourced in Provence, and not only can you place them in the microwave for heated warmth, but you can also chill them in the freezer for cooling results. Here are some of our Warmies from past years. Even though my kids handle them nearly every day, they are still in great shape. This is a high-quality small business that I'm super passionate about sharing with people. Warmies make the perfect gift for birthday, Christmas, new baby, or any other special occasion, so I'll leave their link below. And thank you to Warmies for sponsoring today's video. For the next secret, I wanted to talk to you all about children's bedrooms because we're in the process of redecorating the boys' room. I'll try to put footage of what it looked like before, but it was a hodgepodge of everything before. It was the original wall color from when we bought the house, which was a neutral moss color. And we had every painting in here that like kind of came to die in this room. Every painting, nothing really went together. And I talked to the boys and they wanted, you know, a dark kind of cozy cabin feel to the room, and maybe even nautical, something that we could switch around with both. So we have their beds, and I'll tell you about the bedding in just a second. Of course, we have the Warmies, which make it very cozy. But the wall color was big, so we changed the wall color to this darker shade, and I'll put the shade on the screen because I can't remember it off the top of my head. And it really makes this room feel like a wonderful, cozy, serene space. I love the dark color, especially because so much of our home is light colors. So it's nice to walk in here and have this difference. The shutters right here are going to be fixed. So this is broken on this side. This shutter completely fell apart. So I have a towel there right now. Tomorrow morning I have someone coming to measure. We're going to put brand new shutters. And I might put a window treatment on the side, like maybe some curtains. I haven't decided yet. Might do that. The bunk beds here, they are bunk beds, but we took them apart because we don't feel that it's safe for our younger son to sleep up high. So they are apart, and they like that. They jump from bed to bed, basically. Bedding is by Betty's. I use Betty's for my girls' rooms too, and I just love them for kids. Basically, it's a zipper bedding. It's all one piece. I'll show you in B-roll everything that you need to know for that, but it's all one piece, and it zips up. It just makes the bed really easy to make for the child. So my boys make their beds, and also it's easy to just wash as one piece and put on. And also what I like about it is that it looks really good with bunk beds, because it's very hard to put bedding on bunk beds without it looking bad, you know, because of this rail right here. So it just tucks in nicely and goes over the mattress that way. So this is the Blair Betty's, and it's like it might look gray on camera, but it is in fact a blue color. And then it has these kind of checked pillowcases. And then the inside of the cotton one is checked. So that's the cotton top, all cotton top beddies. And then we also have they call it minky. The minky is like this bumpy fabric. It reminds me of a baby blanket. It's really soft. And so we have both. We have the minky and the cotton too. So it just depends on if your child is a cool sleeper or they get hot when they sleep. If they want coolness, they'll like the cotton. If they want something a little warmer, they might like the minky. I put my Warmies back. That's one of the older Warmies, the dragon Warmies. So the boys just love their room, and I love it in here too. Okay, I just pulled this out of the dryer, and this is a basket of laundry. And some of this is going into my fall capsule wardrobe. Some of it I've been wearing as a transition piece because it was so hot this week, like the Sky Penelope dress. But basically all of it needs to be ironed or steamed. So I'm going to take care of that now. I like to take care of it in batches. I usually listen to an audiobook. And then throughout the week, I don't need to be stressed out in the mornings because, oh no, I have to get out the iron in order to look presentable. So let's tackle this ironing together. It's later on in the evening, and I just wanted to say that I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you some great homemaking inspiration and that you prepared right along with me. Let me know with this 3 Connoisseur Secrets series, do you prefer me talking to the camera or do you prefer an artistic voiceover? Or a little bit of both? Let us know in the comment section down below. And thank you so much to Warmies for sponsoring today's video. I love these heatable stuffed animals. They make the perfect gift. Kids and adults love them too, and they're a great small business, so check them out down below. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.